Friday, October 25th, 2024. Focus. You know how to interpret the appearance of earth and sky, but why do you not know how to interpret the present time? Reading today's focus, I wonder, could we be in the end times? A significant increase in the number of earthquakes, floods, volcanoes and cyclones, with war, pestilence and evil rampant everywhere, might make it seem so. Whether these are the end times or not, however, the interpretation is the same. In Jesus' day, there were various signs that the people were not correctly interpreting. They showed that Christ and salvation were near at hand, right there and then. What they had to do was repent and be reconciled to God. The same applies to us today. We are experts at interpreting what is happening around us, environmentally, politically, and economically. Yet, we fail to read the most important sign, that we need to be on the right path to God. Would Christ call us hypocrites? Jesus says, "Stay awake, for you do not know on what day your Lord is coming." So we must always live as He wants us to. Paul has a beautiful description of how, with all humility and gentleness, with patience, bearing with one another in love, eager to maintain the unity of the Spirit in the bond of peace. Fruit. I will correctly interpret the present time by practicing the one virtue that I find most difficult today.